Hello guys, today let's see how to configure Java with Eclipse in Windows 10. Go to the Eclipse website, the link is in the description. And download a Eclipse ID for enterprise Java developers. And download it for Windows. It will download a zip file. Download it. Since I have already downloaded, extract. And try running the Eclipse. Probably it will throw an error, JRE error. You must install Java JDK in your system. Go to this website. The link is in the description as well. Downloading Java SE 8. You can download the latest version if you want. Download according to Windows 64 or 32-bit. Whichever you need, you can download it. Click I reviewed and download the JDK. Now install the downloaded JDK. I'm waiting for the download to complete. You can change the install location folder if you want. Let's click next. This will also install JRE in your system, both JDK and JRE. Once successfully installed, click close. Now open Eclipse. This time it may open correctly. Just ignore these errors. Now go to Window in Eclipse and Preferences. Here, go to Java, extend the options, install JRE units. You can click Add. Standard VM, click Next. In the JRE Home, click the Directory button and choose the location where Java is installed. If you have installed in 64-bit, it will be in the program files, Java JDK, JRE. You need to choose JRE Home, so choose the JRE and click OK. Since I have already defined it, it's showing the JRE name is already in use. Else you can click Finish. Once you click Finish, it will be listed here. Just click the checkbox and apply. Now your Eclipse is configured to code in Java. Thanks for watching.